Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas, your main information source for weight loss, health, and fitness insights. Today, we're going deep into the path of muscle-building nutrition and uncovering the ultimate guide to fueling your gains. Whether you're a seasoned sports lover, a gym rat, or just starting out on your fitness journey, nutrition plays a crucial role in maximizing muscle growth, strength, and your overall performance. So come on and join us as we explore the science behind the Levitas strategies and practical tips to optimize your nutrition for muscle-building success. Get ready to take your physique to the next level and unleash your full muscle growth potential. As always, we will first start with learning about the basics of muscle-building nutrition. Before we dive into the specifics, let's cover the fundamentals of what is it that you need to signal and increase muscle building now. The need for a caloric surplus. To build muscle more effectively, you need to consume more calories than you burn. Creating a caloric surplus. This provides your body with the energy and nutrients it needs to support increased muscle growth and repair. Paying attention to the quality and quantity of your macronutrients is essential. Pay special attention into your protein intake mainly. Eat protein, the muscle builder. Protein is the building block of your body in general. You need it for signaling muscle tissue growth, and it is also essential for muscle repair and satiety too. Aim to consume a sufficient to a high amount of high-quality protein sources, such as grass-fed, grass-finished cuts of red meat, lean meats in general, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy, whey proteins, and plant-based proteins. Science research has recently shown that protein may be the main macronutrient for stimulating muscle growth. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are one of your body's primary sources of energy, mostly during intense workouts. Always opt for complex carbohydrates such as soluble and non-soluble fibers, low-sugar fruits like berries, vegetables, and some legumes to fuel your workouts and support muscle recovery. Ditch processed carbs to avoid water retention, fat accumulation, and weight gain. Get some healthy fats into your food plans. Don't overlook the importance of healthy fats in your muscle-building diet. Fats play a role in hormone production, including testosterone, which is crucial for muscle growth. And they are also calorically dense, providing the healthy and nutritious calories you need for muscle syntheses. Incorporate sources of healthy fats, such as omega-3 supplements, avocados, nuts, and extra virgin olive oil into your meals. It has been scientifically shown that omega-3 signals muscle growth, and that this signaling is even greater when combined with a great quantity of high-quality proteins. Next, we are getting into the macronutrient breakdown for muscle growth. Let's get down to the macronutrients and their role in muscle building. We have 3 macronutrients that our body uses to create more muscle, and these are macro number 1, proteins. This is the best and most important macro for muscle building and repair. Aim to consume 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of lean body weight per day to support muscle growth and repair. Or similarly, aim for 1.6 to 2 grams of protein each day for every kilogram of lean body mass that your body has. You can spread your protein intake evenly throughout your 3 meals for the day and always include an extra source of protein in every one of them. If it turns difficult to achieve your daily protein intake goal, this is massively important for achieving your objective for protein intake and muscle growth and repair. Macro number 2, carbohydrates. Carbohydrate needs will vary depending on factors such as activity level and training intensity. Aim to consume complex carbohydrates to fuel your workouts and provide glycogen during exercise. We would recommend to go between 50 to 100 grams of complex carbs per day. Some scientific evidence suggests that carbohydrates are much less important for muscle growth than a very high-quality protein intake. Also remember that if you have any kind of metabolic health problems, carbohydrate intake may worsen this health issues. So check with your head doctor first if you have any metabolic problems like insulin resistance, overweight, obesity, type 2 diabetes, or others. Macro number 3, healthy fats. Include a variety of healthy fats in your food plan, like extra virgin olive oil, avocados, salmon, or sardines. For greater muscle growth, signaling focus on monounsaturated fats or fatty acids, such as omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts. Also, avocados provide a huge amount of potassium, a very important electrolyte for muscle function and for keeping you well hydrated. Now that we have all the facts on check, let's get into the practice. Remember that information mixed with action is power. So organize yourself and have proper meal timing, training timing, and nutrient timing. The timing of your trainings and meals strategically can enhance muscle building and recovery. Here are some tips to achieve these tasks. Timing tip number 1, embrace pre-workout nutrition. Fuel your workouts with a balanced meal containing high-quality protein and some complex carbohydrates about 1 or 2 hours before exercise. This provides your body with the energy it needs to perform optimally during your workout. Timing tip number 2, post-workout nutrition. After your workout, consume a meal rich in proteins and some complex carbohydrates to replenish glycogen stores and support muscle repair and growth. Your window for protein absorption and utilization can go for up 32 hours or even more, depending on your level of fitness. Well-trained individuals tend to have a bigger window for protein absorption and utilization than non-trained people. Timing tip number 3, meal frequency. While meal frequency is less important than total calorie and nutrient intake, spreading your protein intake evenly throughout the day can maximize muscle protein synthesis and support muscle growth. Remember to have a maximum of 3 meals per day to stay lean, healthy, and at the same time build the muscle that you want, in addition to macronutrient intake and timing. Next, we present our Levitas extra practical tips for muscle building success. Consider incorporating these practical tips into your muscle building nutrition plan for optimal results. Here they are. Tip number 1, keep yourself hydrated. Proper hydration is essential for optimal performance and recovery. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after workouts. You may need to have some electrolyte powder during exercise to maintain good performance. And good performance means that you will have more stimulus for muscle growth. Tip number 2, monitor your progress. Keep track of your progress by monitoring your body composition. Measure your chest, arm, legs, and waist circumferences, strength gains, and workout performance. Adjust your nutrition and training plan as needed to continue making progress towards your goals. Tip number 3, prioritize good quality sleep. Good quality sleep is crucial for muscle recovery and growth. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night and prioritize sleep hygiene practices such as establishing a consistent sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and avoiding blue light devices for at least 45 minutes before you go to bed. Tip number 4, adequate stress management. Chronic psychological stress can negatively impact muscle building efforts by increasing cortisol levels, which is the stress hormone, and it can lead your body to experience muscle breakdown. Practice stress management techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, and regular physical activity to support muscle growth and overall well-being. You can also use adaptogens like ashwagandha to help your body adapt better to stress and improve physical and mental performance as well. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, optimizing your nutrition is a key factor for unlocking your full muscle building potential. By focusing on adequate to high protein intake, consuming a balanced diet rich in fibers and complex carbs and healthy fats, and also by timing your meals strategically, you can fuel your gains and achieve the physique you desire. Remember that you also need to exercise, preferably resistance training, because without the proper physical stimulus, you won't get the results you want to achieve. So mix both, going to the gym and applying our nutritional guide for muscle growth, and you will be amazed at the results you will quickly get. Thank you for tuning in to today's Levitas video. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, don't forget to leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with muscle growth. We love hearing from you. We appreciate your support. It helps us grow and create even better content for you every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients. Stay consistent with your training and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.